Chevron's experts can help you achieve best-in-class by working with you to analyze your current lubrication program, identify your goals, and close any gaps. You will receive a final report that includes specific strengths and opportunities in your current lubrication program, information to develop a plan to achieve your business goals, and best-in-class comparison so you know how you stack up among industry leaders. The outcome of the best-in-class assessment will help show you how your business compares with the competition when it comes to lubrication maintenance. Join the ranks of other industry leaders who have taken advantage of a best-in-class assessment to assist with reducing maintenance costs, minimizing component failures, maximizing the full potential of lubricants, increasing equipment reliability, and achieving your KPIs, which means improving the bottom line. Ask your Chevron representative for a best-in-class assessment and start your journey to improved equipment reliability and runtime today.